Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm sharing healthy and tasty moong dal chips for all ages. This is delicious tea time snack and kids would love to munch on. So now let's get into the video and see how to make this snack. To start with, take 1 cup of split moong bean, and this split moong bean is a good source of protein and dietary fiber. It is low in fat and rich in B complex vitamins, calcium and potassium. This is free from heaviness and flatulence which are associated with other pulses. Now wash this moong beans thoroughly and soak it for 2 hours. After 2 hours our moong beans are well soaked, so here I am transferring them to pressure cooker and pressure cook for about 2 whistles. Here I am adding about 1 cup of water to this moong beans and cook this well. Here our moong beans are well cooked and this is also dry because I added less water and we need this consistency of dal. Here I am adding salt according to taste, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and smash this cooked dal very well. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Here I used half cup, so I am adding twice. Here I am adding half a spoon of red chilli powder, but adjust according to your spice levels, and 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of carom seeds. Now mix everything and knead the dough. Here I didn't use water. I am trying to adjust with the wetness of dal and mix this dough. Actually I forgot to add kasuri methi, so here I am adding 1/4 cup of kasuri methi to this and then combine everything very well. Here I mix the dough with the wetness of moong dal, but still it is little dry, so here I am adding around 2 spoons of water and trying to adjust the consistency. Here you can see with this 2 to 3 spoons of water our dough is well formed. Finally, once the kneading is completed, here I am adding just 1 spoon of oil and allow it to sit for 1 hour. After an hour, again I am kneading the dough like this and trying to divide this into small portions. Now take each portion, flatten like this, add half a spoon of oil to this and roll it with the help of rolling pin. After rolling into a thin sheet like this, now here I am making slices with the knife like this. After slicing into long strips like this, here again I am cutting it horizontally to form finger length chips. After slicing, here I am transferring these finger chips to a plate, and here you can see the thickness of these finger chips. Now heat a pan, add oil, and after the oil is heated, add a batch of these finger chips to the oil and allow them to fry like this. Keep stirring continuously with a spatula like this so that it will allow all the chips to fry evenly. Our chips are very healthy because we used split moong beans and kasuri methi, nothing but fenugreek leaves. These fenugreek leaves are an excellent herb for diabetes and also helps to treat digestive ailments. Here we also used carom seeds, and carom seeds have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties and also relieves indigestion. Likewise, fry all the chips in batches, and here our moong beans fenugreek chips are ready to enjoy. These are very tasty and crispy as well. Here you can hear the sound also. So friends, please try making this healthy snack and enjoy. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.